A child is a pebble of the life of a parent. So, this would be nurtured carefully. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. It's a great and a proud day for all of us as we celebrate this auspicious day. Esteemed Educational Advisor Sir, virtuous Secretary Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and my shining colleagues. Children bring happiness and courage in their parents' life. It is believed that God exists within children due to pure heart. Children are considered as the foundation and the future of the country. So, they should be given more attention, the right education and care in the present to progress and develop in the future. Let's proceed towards lighting the lamp as a tribute to our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I request Secretary Ma'am, Educational Advisor Sir, accompanying them are Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am to illuminate the lamp.
दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Let's honor him wholeheartedly by inviting our beloved teachers to present a song in virtual mode. The participants are Suchitra Mahanti, Zahnaz Begum, Subarashna Nanda, Jubajyoti Barak, Subhrajit Das, Santosh Kumar Behra, Sagarika Pradhan, Brahmuja Nayak and Nivedita Behra. The music is by our music teacher Mr. Niromani Oja. Please give them a big hand. Students have sent their virtual speeches on Children's Day, which will be shared in the classrooms, and the speeches are being delivered by Adyasha Pani from Dayanand House, Mamta Das from Aurobindo House, Nihal Ranjan Nanda from Vivekanand House, and Somna Panda from Sadanand House.
Children are our greatest teacher. From them, we can learn some of life's most valuable qualities: patience, curiosity, kindness, determination, resilience, fearlessness, trust, and most importantly, they teach us what it means to love and be loved unconditionally. With this, a wonderful morning to everyone. I, Adya Shapani, present here to present my views on the given topic, Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated every year with enthusiasm, happiness, and fun. Many cultural programs, competition, and fun activities are organized in schools throughout India. Children's Day is celebrated on different days in many places across the world. The first Children's Day was celebrated on November 14, 1964 in India. 1st June is celebrated as International Children's Day, and the world's most Children's Day is on 21st November every year. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in May 1964, the Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in India. All political members also give respect to Nehru ji in that day. Children's Day reminds everyone of the preciousness of kids. People should be aware of the importance of welfare and the rights of children for the nation and society. That is why, as a responsible resident of India, we should not distinguish between children in accordance with their religion, caste, economic and social status. People should teach their children to live by the standards of Chacha Nehru. The day also reminds parents to support and protect their children by giving them a good education, food, and health. Parents should give an opportunity for children to express their thoughts and try to understand them. Children are the gifts of God, pure heart, innocent, and loved by everybody. John F. Kennedy, 35th President of US, said that children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. So children should get encouragement to fulfill their dreams instead of to getting something beyond their capacity. Children of poor families should get some financial support from the government for their education and a bright future. With this, Happy Children's Day.
आज ही जन्मदिवस मेरे चाचा नीरू का, मेरा उनका नाता दिया माटी का, चाचा का है प्यारा फुलफुला, मैं तो कहूँ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। बच्चे सभी के द्वारा पसंद किए जाते हैं और उनके बिना हमारा जीवन निराश हो जाता है। बच्चे भगवान के आशीर्वाद होते हैं और उनकी सुंदर आंखों से, मासूम गतिविधियों से और मुस्कान से हमारे दिल को जी लेते हैं। इसी के साथ शुभ प्रभात। मेरा नाम ममता दास है, मैं 10वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। बाल दिवस के इस अवसर पर पंडित नेहरू के जन्म दिवस को क्यों बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है के बारे में अपने विचार आप सभी के सामने रखना चाहती हूँ। पहले मेरे प्यारे मित्रों और शिक्षकों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। अंतर्राष्ट्र की सभा में 20 नवंबर को आधिकारिक रूप से बाल दिवस मनाने के लिए घोषणा की गई थी, लेकिन भारत में ये 14 नवंबर को पंडित नेहरू जी के जन्म दिवस पर मनाया जाता है। उनका जन्म दिवस बाल दिवस मनाने के लिए बच्चों के प्रति उनका प्यार, स्नेह, लगाव को देखने के कारण इसी दिन को बाल दिवस के लिए चुना गया था। वह लंबे समय तक बच्चों के साथ खेलना, उनके साथ बातें करना और समय बिताने को वो बहुत पसंद करते थे। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू भारत को एक विकसित राष्ट्र बनाने के लिए वो बच्चों के प्रति विशेष रूप से उनके कल्याण, शिक्षा और अधिकारों और संपूर्ण सुधार लाने के लिए वे बहुत ही उत्साहित और गर्मजोशी से भरे हुए थे। वे बहुत ही प्रेरणादायक और प्रेरित प्रकृति के थे। वो हमेशा बच्चों को कठिन परिश्रम और बहादुरी कार्य करने के लिए प्रेरित करते थे। वो भारत के बच्चों के कल्याण, शिक्षा और अधिकारों के लिए वो बहुत ही चिंतित थे। इसीलिए वो कठिन परिश्रम किए ताकि बच्चे अपने बचपन से ही कुछ अधिकार प्राप्त कर सके। उनके स्वार्थ रहित प्रेम के कारण बच्चे उनको चाचा नेहरू से पुकारते थे। 1964 में उनकी मृत्यु के बाद भारत में हर साल उनके जन्मदिन पर बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। आखिर में यह कहना चाहती हूँ कि बच्चे राष्ट्र की बहुमूल्य संपत्ति होने के साथ ही वे भविष्य और कल की उम्मीद है, इसलिए उनको उचित देखरेख और प्यार मिलना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Children's Day, also named as Bal Divas, is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. A warm welcome to the respected teachers and students. Today I got an opportunity to give a speech on Children's Day. In today's speech, I would like to depict the significance and the story behind Children's Day celebration. Children's Day is celebrated on several days in several places across the world, but the first Children's Day was celebrated on 14 November 1964 in India. After the sad demise of our first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in May 1964, his birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day every year. All political party members give respect to Nehruji at Shantivan Memorial in New Delhi. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a prominent freedom fighter, poet and leader of India. One of his famous writings is The Glimpses of World History. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad, and he was the son of the famous lawyer Mr. Motilal Nehru. After India got independence, he became the first Prime Minister of India. Nehruji committed himself to the nation by engaging in civil disobedience movement and satyagrahas. He even managed to write one of the best books of Indian history, The Discovery of India, during his 4 years custody in Ahmednagar. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also known for his love and care towards children and roses. He always said that children are like birds in the garden. He worked more for the education, welfare and progress of children and youngsters after independence of India. He also organized a 5-year plan to provide free meals and education to the school children for avoiding children malnutrition in India. Parents should teach their children to live life by the standards of Chacha Nehru. This day also reminds the parent to support and protect their children by providing them with good education and proper nourishment. Parents should give an opportunity to the children to express their thoughts and try to understand them. Children are the gift of God. They are pure-hearted, innocent and are loved by everyone. So I would like to conclude my speech by conveying my warmest wishes on Children's Day. Let us celebrate this day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood. Thank you so much.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. This side, Sodna Shubhadarshini Panda of grade 10. On behalf of Shadran House, today I am standing before you all to speak a few lines on this auspicious day, that is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th of November in India to pay tributes to its first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also known as Chacha Nehru. After his death in May 1964, India started to celebrate Children's Day in the year 1964 on 14th of November. Children are the soul of every country. On this auspicious day, teachers and students gather in their respective schools to celebrate this Children's Day on the honor of Chacha Nehru. Many co-curricular programs and cultural activities like speech, drama, fancy dress competition, etc. are conducted on this day to celebrate. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was well known for his love and caring towards the children. He used to say, children are like birds in the garden. He always be a friend of children and keeps them precious to his heart. So children call them Chacha Nehru. Children are feeble to their parents. They bring happiness and courage in their parents' life. So children should be nurtured properly. Everyone believes that God exists within a children because of their pure heart. Children are considered to be the future of the country. So now I want to conclude by conveying my warmest wishes on Children's Day. Let us celebrate this day with enthusiasm and lots of fun, and let us celebrate and enjoy our gift of childhood. Since we are the future leaders of our country, so let us collaborate and take the responsibility to make our nation a beautiful and a better society. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, children, for your effort. Let's invite Mr. Amit Kumar Patnaik to say a few lines on this occasion. Sir, please.
Thank you, Senator. Very good morning to our respected Secretary Ma'am, Mrs. Madhumita Bhadra, our educational advisor, Mr. Manoj Bhadra, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and our respected colleagues and non-teaching staffs. Children's Day is celebrated in different countries Today, on the occasion of Children's Day, I would like to present my thoughts on the importance of children. I believe that teachers become educators not only because of knowledge, but you students play a very important role in our lives. You make us understand who we are and what we mean to you. We commit mistakes on certain occasions, but you all help us realize those faults. In certain circumstances, we underestimate your strength, but your abilities and capabilities force us to bow down before you. There are several instances when we scold you for your mistakes, but this does not justify that we dislike you all. We do this because we all love you and admire you and want to prepare you as students for greater challenge in life. We want that you all should climb the ladder of success and there should never be a look back again. Our happiness and grief are connected to you all.
Yes, sir. Now, I request distinguished Manoj Kumar Bhadra sir to address the gathering and give his precious input to us. Sir, please.
My dear colleagues, very happy Children's Day on behalf of all the staff of the school to our dear children. The last 2 years, it is due to COVID situation, we are not being able to celebrate Children's Day in our school in a grand way. As Mr. Amit Patnaik mentioned, we should believe that this day is not celebrated for children. It is for the second teachers of the child's life, like teachers. We teachers are the second teacher, you can say, second stage teacher, master being the parents. But here we should not forget that we have to play a very vital role by not only educating or guiding the children, but at the same time we have to educate their parents, educate the society in which the children are growing up, the children of course, and then we have to also educate each and every person associated with the development of a child. Maybe the driver of the school bus, maybe the lady attendant or gents attendant of the school, maybe the office bearers of the school. We teachers have to educate them also about how to deal with the children, because we only to take care of one part of the children, that is giving academic training, but that is not enough. Let us hope our next Children's Day, next November, we will be able to celebrate this occasion with the children and enjoy it. I really miss their presence in the school. Each and every day when I come to school, I look for their soft, sweet and innocent faces. With these words, I once again wish all the children a very happy Children's Day. Thank you very much.
Sir, let me now introduce our colleagues to present virtual mode. The participants are Manjulata Chindara, Minati Dhar, Mamta Singh, Bharti Patnaik, Vandana Sahu, Nitya Singh, Diptimoy Mahanti, Brahmaja Naik and Nivedita Mehra. Let me introduce our colleagues to present their drama in virtual mode. The casting includes Krishna Panda, Niromani Oja, Nandita Mahanti, Vandana Sahu, Santosh Behra, Navaluna Sahu, Subrajit Das, Amit Kumar Patnaik, Devadarsi Nayak and Subhakrishna Nanda. This drama is directed by Mr. Kamalnanda Panda. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Prahlad Behra to convey a vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Good morning to you all. Honorable Education Advisor Sir, Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhadra Sir, Mr. Union Secretary Ma'am, Mrs. Madhusmita Bhadra Ma'am, Respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Saubhagya Lakshmi Mahanti Ma'am, Respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Puspanjali Panda Ma'am, and to all the staffs and my dear colleagues. It's my pleasure to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of Children's Day. I, on behalf of our school DAV Public School, Sisurpalgarh, Bhubaneswar, would like to thank to everyone being here present all together. I heartily thanks to all for being your gracious presence. Thank you all.
So,